It makes a sound if it's not enough, but it's quiet when it's full. A foolish man is like a jar of half water, and a wise man is like a pond full of water. If you don't experience and perform it in person, no matter how knowledgeable you are, there is nothing to benefit from memorizing good words and nothing to be excellent. No matter how many times a shepherd counts his owner's cattle, it is like he doesn't have any of his cows. Disaster and anger are in your body, like an echo rising from the sound. Don't do evil, for the shadow follows form.